punched it to the point where it fell over and broke the stand.
Actually, no. I take that back. He bought the plane.
Oh, hi.
Alright, clear comms. Schwalbe Aerobatics, I'm going to go sit in the grass. Just line up behind me. You guys can stop where you are, then fill in to my right.
Oh yeah, we go. Yeah, the AH-1 still hasn't contacted me, and he's within 5 miles.
Do you lot want me to end yet? I mean, I can.
You can keep going as long as you want. We have a tiny bit of setup to do.
Fair enough.
No, someone to me.
Let me know when you're done.
We are filing.
We're about to violate this house existence.
No, they're gonna die, gamer. Don't do it.
Okay. House has been violated. Continuing on.
Gamer.
Yeah.
Follow me.
I shot the house.
Okay, cool.
Which
house? We're just coming in from the behind, just landing with the Griffins, if that's
the
okay.
house over by us.
Yeah, you can land with the Typhoon that's going to be coming in.
Well, I'm in a helicopter, so I'm basically So I'm just gonna come in from behind the airfield. So that's all right.
Yeah. Come in from behind the airfield, land on the concrete, or one of the concrete pads. Or in the grass. Just don't cross the runway.
Yep. All right.
Stop!
Oh wait, what?
Oh, that didn't work.
Wait, what?
Oh god!
It took me to
I see
France.
explosions.
And now you're dead.
Indeed.
I'm dead in France.
Look, why is his jet like effect?
Dunkirk?
Yes.
Dunkirk over. Dunkirk once again? Question mark.
Okay, I guess Schwalbe flight. You were cleared for takeoff.
Alright, next dinky focus, go.
Shouldn't I be landing first? I mean, I can come in and land now.
Right now.
Okay, you're back. Okay.
You just can't see me.
Hold short. He came back.
Man,
he wants to land them back real quick.
Stop in here. Nux, come here.
Yes, I'm back. Right.
I have a plan, trust.
Hawker Typhoon 26 requesting permission to land.
And permission grant to land on runway 26. Seahawk. What's this F-84 doing?
Probably yesing.
Alright, I am back. Is anybody...
Around.
Who's landing? That is a very interesting final approach, sir.
Yes, it is.
We are violent.
I came in too fast.
Alright, Rose, what you missed is someone got access to the nukes early and dropped them all over the airfield.
What the fuck?
Wait, what?
Oh god, that
is
is
obsessed over the new update trailer.
Oh.
Yes.
It's not gonna be. We're not gonna get nukes, you.
I know. There's no way we're getting nukes.
Hawker.
I'm obsessed about the damn terrors.
Hawker. Not explode.
Yeah,
I'm obsessed over the new effects and the aircraft.
If he's a Seahawk, doesn't that mean he should be able to land in the water and become a
go land in the water.
Yeah.
Just to clarify that,
in the water.
the only reason the nuclear explosion was to make it more evident that we're going into the nuclear age of warfare.
Yes, I know, it's a joke, Max. Jesus Christ.
I wasn't talking to you, gamer. I was just clarifying for everybody in case they didn't know. Not everything's about you, you know.
You think we're fucking stupid because it seems like you do.
I'm just informing it. So if I'm teaching a class, I'm apparently calling everyone in there stupid.
Go down, please.
I mean, gamer, calm down. No reason to...
Tower Schwalbe Aerobatics flight of 7, permission to line up and wait, runway 28.
Nice flight of 7.
28. Hawker, what is...
Roger. Solos, you two get in front of me.
I can't hear Hawker.
Because my gear's dead.
Oh,
so
okay.
I'm ditching.
Magnesium, you're within 5 miles.
I am out of the way. I'm below radar altitude. I don't exist to you.
I can
your
see
fucking
you
name
still.
tag.
It's called
A name tag doesn't exist in ATC,
Max,
sir.
no one... This is WarThunder, not DCS. Calm down.
I don't play DCS that much anymore. Anyways.
I haven't played DCS before.
Alright, Lunar, you're my left wing. Extravor, you're the right wing of Iron. Sesto, you're the left wing of Lunar.
Roger.
Nux, you ready?
Perhaps.
Alright, from now on, Solos, you're on your own. When I'm saying Schwalbe Aerobatics, it only applies to the 4 behind me.
Copy.
Engines off, throttles to 90%.
Next hold brakes 25. For you, that would be 20.
And since literally nobody's in general, do you want us to just do our act in here so you can hear the music, ATC?
If you want,
Yeah,
like,
sure.
most of everyone is in this chat anyways.
Yeah.
I've just been hanging in here because the rest of it's boring.
Alright, I'm going to mute everyone except for my guys. Hold on a second.
Lars.
I mean, can I land? There's no mask.
Magnesium, you come in for your landing from behind the flight line.
If I'm crossing at about 3, no, I'll be at 50 feet AGL, crossing below the pattern.
Alright, 262s, check engines off. Check engines off, 90%, 5-degree up angle, and takeoff flaps set.
Next hit flaps takeoff.
Oh, Raji. I need some Chucky milk.
That Chucky milk.
Chucky milk is
You can grab it
essential
real
for
quick.
life.
We have about 2 minutes left before we start.
Nice.
If you don't like Chucky milk, then
You're up. Smoke on.
Copy. My guy.
Next, you there?
yeah, I'm here.
My pilot.
Hold brakes 25.
Sticking to the cockpit.
Okay, I'm increasing brakes to 40.
How do you increase brakes?
No, I'm increasing throttle.
I'm
I don't
joking.
give a shit. I'm saying
joking.
brake so that you know
Good
to keep
Lord.
holding brake.
Act time has started. Engines on in about 20 seconds. Wait for my calls. You will turn them on mark.
Hold brake 65. Stand by for brakes off. 100. Brakes off.
My brakes. Well, go.
Brakes off. Brakes off. Brakes off.
Engines on.
Just hold my wings.
3, 2, 1. Mark.
No, I gotta
If you start pulling ahead, just use a little bit of brake.
Stand by for rotate. Rotating. Gear up, flaps up, smoke on.
Hey, the music finally started.
100. Stand by for cross brake. Why are you pink now?
Because.
Stand by. Cross brake. Now. Go.
Combat flaps mark.
Next, remember head on.
I know. I also know I can turn faster than you.
Braking for the crowd.
No flaps. Mark. If you're running behind, just go up to higher throttle. I will maintain 90% this entire time.
Jesus Christ. Go for
We're dead. We've been killed.
Yes, you have been killed by me. How do you feel?
Dead.
Very good. What's it like in Dead? Alright,
It's
now
kind of
stand by.
dark, but it's also pretty.
Since our timing's a little messed up, we'll be turning left at 2,100 feet instead of 2,000.
Yes.
Yes, autism. And I gotta recover from this.
Up and put your
Left turn.
Lord.
Mark.
Next,
Will
smoke
recover.
off. Pull out.
When turn is complete, 2.5 degree climb, 105 degrees.
Actually, I'm gonna do one more buzz. Hello there, Skull Squadron. How was your day, bit?
Non-262 pilots.
Little shits. Okay, smoke's coming off. I'm dropping down to 75.
Once at 3,000 feet, go to 0 degree climb.
Next, you wanna try to high alpha these things?
Yes.
We're doing
40%
it.
throttle is good high alpha throttle.
Yeah, 40%. If we can high alpha in F3, if we can high alpha at 262.
Indeed.
Oh god, actually, I don't want to be the last one.
Actually,
Okay, guys,
what if you
maintain
had
spacing.
Like this thing first?
Spacing is more important than a close
Oh,
formation.
you mean a knife edge?
Yeah, we could go knife edge.
Pseudo reclimb, Mark.
What's just high alpha?
Yeah, well, high alpha. Dropping down to 30%.
This
Actually, I'm going to
F-86
25.
get close to us, he's banned.
Come
Okay,
down
I'm
to
just
20.
Yeah, coming down to 20. I'm just gonna do some like weird ass little turn things just to slow us down a bit more. Alright, we're going in. Fuck it. We're gonna go in since we're close enough. Smock on, dropping down to 15.
I go for now.
Okay, yeah. I might do the same here in a second. Where are you?
Look
Oh, there you are.
left. Or right, sorry, right. Alright, just do the wiggles.
Rudder wiggle, go, Nugs. Alright, 20. At 5% now. Commencing the 5-degree high alpha because apparently Thunderbirds thinks that's cool.
Left turn to the north and 10 degrees down soon.
Alright, Nugs. Slow down, wibbly wobbly. Combat flaps, go!
Left turn, 3, 2, 1, mark.
I will have to just do this for now. Unless I want to commit an autism.
Solos are being final approach.
Copy.
Main body at left turn, mark.
Let's get out of there, where Nugs.
You guys can rejoin us, remember.
Yes, and you know.
And Schwalbe's will be down on the deck along the taxiway,
Actually, Nugs, form up me. Same shit as last time, at 75.
But Gamma, main group.
Hey, trust me, I have a plan.
Fine.
Just trust.
I'm so fucking sketched out right now. I can't fucking see.
Check wings are at smoke.
We're breaking left. Stand by, we're gonna form on with them for a minute and then just watch.
But you guys can join us, remember that.
Yeah, we're joining and that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna break off as soon as you guys finish your shit so that we at least keep them entertained while we are in for the next thing. Schmuck on.
Scrape the dirt.
Nug, stay with me.
I'll just scrape the dirt.
I actually scraped the dirt.
Mark.
Nugs, once we get to that vertical,
I might have actually scraped the dirt.
Oh,
the
God.
2500 and dive.
Nug, stand by
Flying
for
out
the
farther
banana
away.
wheelie.
Something
Nug, hit the banana peel once we get up here. Alright, just
Over the grass and bank left.
Stand by for the banana peel. 3, 2, 1, banana. Pull. And then keep pulling around for a head-on.
It's 150.
Oh shit, I'm about to head over end.
Oh, that looks healthy.
Perfect.
Here, I got it,
Did you?
Sub Nugs.
Pull left and pull. Mark.
I'm going fucking end over end at this point. There's no way I'm not. I'm stuck in this vertical. I can't do anything about it. So I'm gonna just let it happen.
Heading 315 down to 500 feet. We'll do a loop.
Oh, my pilot likes this.
Alright, so joining us, it don't. Looks like it's all on purpose.
Oh, hi, Lunar.
Howdy.
Oh, a gamer look.
Loop at my position. And
Fuck,
Mark.
flying backwards.
Oh my god, Doug. Is that how you 262?
Okay, we got too many people flying at the moment.
Is it too much lag?
No, we got people flying.
Oh.
We got MiG-21,
fly through the loop.
and a T-373 on top of all these helis.
Two-6-2's over the dirt road just ahead of us. That's your left turn, Mark.
Ignore what you're witnessing here.
Roger back with the main group.
I don't see no dirt road.
Copy.
Gamer.
Oh, I'm not
For the spectators,
Gamer.
you all will go vertical to 90 degrees and then peel off before you stall.
No,
Skull solos if you want to. I don't know if you're even with us. You can do over
Yeah, I'm
over
here.
ends.
I'm with you guys right now. We're just trying to entertain them while you guys reform up for all your shit.
This is the very end right here.
Copy, Wappy. We will end over end it because that's always fun.
And
Do this with
peel off. All aircraft peel off.
Gamer roll. Gamer, keep rolling.
Rolling.
Now hit E. And then double, and then S.
Choke off.
And now you'll fly backwards.
Oh, yes,
Okay,
sir.
we got.
Good recovering. At least trying to. I'm probably gonna die here.
And then just do alternate for the recovery.
And that's it. Great job, guys.
Woo! That was fun.
Oh, I got the final score for a little bit.
Runway 28.
Oh, that was epic.
Show.
If anyone wants to land with me again, just form back up.
Oh yeah,
Now,
get over
those
here.
B-91 flight, I don't
Get
even
over
know
here.
where the hell they are.
Get over here,
Oh,
Gabe.
oof. Rip helicopter.
Oh, rest in peace, Beams.
These helicopters are starting to really piss me off.
I can tell Beams to get out, Hoppy
Should
Choppy.
I get my Type 93?
No.
No.
No tanks. Tanks are gay.
I think that's
Gamer.
the end.
No tanks, it's against
That's
the
the
rules.
end of the air show.
Oh yeah, the 74th
The
74th
third-
Fighter Squadron went dip.
Yeah.
Oh, no.
You guys.
All right. Well, thank you guys. That was an awesome show. November 244th NATC. 2 weeks from now, Kabul, Afghanistan. Link is in other air shows. Be there.
2 weeks.
I will ask. Panda.
2 weeks?
Nugs.
Yeah, November 7th. So like 2 weeks.
And you still need ATC for that one?
Hey, Lunar.
Yes, I need ATC and ACTS.
I can't make 2 weeks. I'm gonna be
All right.
I'm gonna be going up to
What's
sporties.
up, oh god, gamer. That
What
shit
I
was
was
so fucking close. I thought I lost my fucking nose.
Clear
Holy fucking
Clear
shit.
comms.
Oh,
Schwalbe Aerobatics.
that's a heavy cruiser.
Clear comms. Schwalbe Aerobatics. Reform on me. We're going kamikaze into the heavy cruiser.
Gamer, wait for me. Gamer, wait
Check
for me.
wings, red smoke.
Yeah.
You almost took off my
Everybody use
I'm
evasive
sorry.
maneuvers. Evasive maneuvers, everybody.
Which spawn?
Oh my god.
Schwalbe Aerobatics, evasive maneuvers.
Gamer, which spawn?
To the heavy
Near
cruiser.
airfield, near airfield.
Okay.
Return fire!
Everybody evasive maneuvers.
Return
How close are they?
I will see you on the
really close. Return fire!
I had to scream
No, Nugs, turn your gunners up.
I love this scream.
Oh my god.
That lag though.
These are coming off my boat. I need
I will be known as a hero.
Yeah.
No.
Nugs
I
is
enjoyed it.
assaulting me.